Here's a pair of the JBL Tune Buds. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset. You want to factory reset these if you have issues pairing or connecting, or maybe one earbud's not working, or one side's not working, or maybe it keeps disconnecting, maybe it's out of sync, and so on. So let's factory reset these, okay? So the first thing we got to make sure that it's in pairing mode. So both buds are in a case. Let me open these up. Now we'll know that it's in pairing mode if it's blinking blue, 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 okay? I get like a solid blue lights, and now they end up turning off. The reason is because I'm connected to a phone here. I'm connected to my Samsung Galaxy S25. So let me first go to here, and let me just go to my settings, connections, Bluetooth, and then yeah, see I was paired to this phone here. Let me click on this gear icon, and I'm going to unpair it, basically delete it from my paired list like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and close the lid, and I'm going to wait for the light to turn off. Now it's off. Now I'm going to open it up, and now I should be in pairing mode where it's blinking blue, 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 blue. There you go. We're in pairing mode. Now let's go ahead and factory reset these. Now listen carefully and watch carefully, okay? So factory reset, let's first close these. Let's make sure that the lights go off. Okay, lights are off. Now we gotta do this kind of quickly, okay? So now watch. I'm gonna quickly open the lid, take out both earbuds, and the left one I'm gonna tap 3 times and hold. 1, 2, 3 and hold. And I'm gonna hold it just like this. I'm just holding just the left one now, and I'm gonna wait till both of these lights turn off. Sometimes you have to do it, like you have to try it again. Sometimes I don't get it right away. Okay, that definitely took way too long. Let me just put them back in here. We're gonna try it again, okay? Wait till the light turns off. Okay, now ready, go. Here, there, and then 1, 2, press and hold. Now I'm holding. Let both of these lights turn off. Okay, there we go. Now we're simply going to just put it back in the case and then close the lid. Wait till the light turns off here, and then once we open it, the factory reset should be done, and we should be in pairing mode where it's blinking blue, 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 blue. There you go. Now if I want to, I can go ahead and connect back to whatever device, or connect back to my Samsung Galaxy S25 right now if I wish.